Do have a quick and simple Halloween DIY for you. It's one that you could make with your children, and I think they'll really enjoy it. The only thing to be careful with is the hot glue and cutting the flowers. So let's get right to the video. Okay, we're going to start off by using one of these trellises, I guess they're called, from Dollar Tree. And I've simply cut the ends off of it, the little stakes. I cannot find my cutters that I should be using, so I'm trying scissors, but I did get them off. And then I'm going to just use some white acrylic paint and go over it, and it doesn't have to be perfect. I am using a box cutter right here, and that seemed to work pretty well. And now I'm just going to give it that quick coat of paint. And here you have it, guys, really quick. Kids can do it. I've taken these Dollar Tree bat clips and clipped them on. Didn't use hot glue, just clipped them on. And I'm going to cut those flowers up. And again, I don't have the cutters I'm supposed to be using, but we'll get through it. And I'm just going to wrap them around, and then I just hot glued some of the extra flowers on, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. I did end up taking this one back off. You need to get it wrapped pretty tight so it will sit up on its own. There are also a couple of spiders on this flower pick, and I'm just going to hot glue them on. And then I'll just take the flowers that do not have the eyeball in the middle, stick them on. There's some little branches I'll place on as well. Sorry guys, I missed that last step with the extra little branches and leaves. But here's what you have. It's a really quick and simple project you can do with your kids. They'll love doing this. They can paint, they can clip the bats on. Just be careful with that hot glue. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you join my family. Until next time, guys, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.